Hey, welcome all. This is Gabriel Maybank, the author of The Sound of Heaven, Audio Engineering Techniques. I would just like to say if you made it this far to the page, thank you very much. It means that you are interested in growing your career as an audio engineer, and I would be more than happy to assist you with that. So please check out the book. So after spending many years in the live event industry as a sound tech, production manager, doing post-production work on films and short films and commercials and things like that, I decided to put together this guide to help audio engineers hone in on their craft and basically make money from it. If you are just starting out as an audio engineer, you're in school, you're thinking about going to school to be an audio engineer, this book will definitely help you get a leg up in pursuing your dreams. Check it out.